Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can backup images, photos or videos to a USB drive on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So before we can start to backup to a USB drive, you need to get one of this adapter. It is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So get one of this adapter first. Once you have this adapter, you can then back up to your USB drive. So what you want to do is plug this adapter into your USB-C port at the bottom, and then we now can plug in the USB drive. So this USB drive is 8 GB. If you have a lot more data on your phone, then you'll need to have a larger USB drive. After that, once you have plugged in your USB drive, swipe down at the top. So go back to the home screen and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on accounts and backup. Next, tap on external storage transfer and then tap on USB storage. Now tap on custom and tap on next. Okay, next, because we only want to backup images and videos, so you can tap on images and videos. Okay, now you can select everything, or you can individually select which videos you want to backup. So tap on the right hand arrow. In here, it will show you a number of different videos available for you to backup. Now you can choose all, or you can deselect all of them, and then you can backup by the album. So in here we can have album 2, we've got the camera album, AI emoji, messages, and so on. Okay, so I'm going to deselect all of them, and instead I will tap on, say, the camera albums. In camera albums, I can select a few videos that I want to backup. Okay, and then tap on done at the bottom. Okay, so we have selected some videos to backup, and it will be the same for photos or images. You can tap on the right hand arrow, and here you can by default all the albums has been selected. You can choose, you can deselect all of them and only select the albums that you want to backup, or you can within the album you can choose which photos you want to backup or to select. So you can see here, if I tap on the different albums, it will show the photos within the albums. And that's it. So now we will select some images or some photos. You can also multiple select by dragging by touch and hold, and then just drag it down. So let's try it again. Okay, it doesn't allow me to multi-select in here for some reason. Look like I have to select them one by one. So normally you can just touch and hold and then drag it down, and that will allow you to multi-select, but right now it doesn't allow me to multi-select. So it looks like I have to either select the checkbox at the top to select all, or I have to manually select them one by one. Okay, so after you have selected the photos that you want to backup, tap on done at the bottom, and now you can go down and tap on the backup button. And then in here, it will ask you to put in a password. So it says set password for USB storage. So we have a password we need to set. And then tap on OK. You can also tap on this hidden button to show your password. And then tap on OK. And we need to put in the same password again to confirm. And then tap on OK. And that's it. So now the files on our USB drive is encrypted. So make sure that before you delete or erase your device, make sure you have checked the file that you can access to your USB drive, because it is encrypted. If you erase your device or if you factory reset, you may not be able to restore it from your USB drive. Or maybe you can, I'm not sure. I haven't tried yet, but sometimes when it encrypts your USB drive, it sometimes can cause a problem when you try to restore it. Now, if you do not want to have a problem with encryptions, you can also transfer the images over to your USB drive using My Files. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, once it has finished, you can tap on the done button, and that's it. So you can see now it has finished. And if we tap on external storage device, it shows here you can restore from USB storage. If you tap on that, you can put in the password, and from here you can restore everything back to your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching.